In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Google Meet in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So here at the button search bar, please navigate here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, kindly wait until a best match would appear in this window before we proceed. Now, once it's here, all you need to do is you need to double tap under the best match, and in a few seconds, you would be navigated to the Google Chrome browser itself. So all you need to do is you need to expand it first and kindly wait until everything are set here. Once everything are set, directly navigate to the upper right side of that. You can see their Gmail, images, a lab icon, and this icon beside this user icon. So all you need to do is you need to proceed to this one, click on it so that you can reveal all of the featured apps under Google. So from here, please scroll down and locate with Google Meet. So I can see it here being placed beside Gmail. So click on it and in a few moments you would be redirected to the Google Meet page. Okay. And if you would like to sign in your account, you can sign in. Or you can also start a new meeting if you would like to. Okay. You can click on it. And in that way, you can start a meeting for later. Or you can start an instant meeting. Or you can simply enter a code or link that you would like to join with. Okay. So just type the code and then click on join. Okay. So since the target of this video is to install this as an application, all you need to do is you need to navigate here at the upper right side of it. You can see there are three dots. Please click on it and scroll down and locate your cursor to cast, save, and share. So from here, this kind of window would appear. Go with install Google Meet and click on install. In that way, in a few moments, a new window would bring up or appear here in our window, and that would mean that we have successfully installed it as an app. So by that, you can now close the window. And if you would check here at the desktop, you can see Google Meet. A Google Meet shortcut has been automatically created. And might as well you will get a notification where if you would like to pin the Google Meet to your taskbar, you can click on yes, or you can simply click on no thanks if you don't want to. So in that way, you have just successfully installed the Google Meet app in your Windows 11. Okay, so if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.